Here's the best way to reuse your Reels by removing the watermark in one click. So first, you're going to create a new design, and that design is going to be an Instagram Reel. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to the left side menu here in Canva, and you're going to click on Apps. And you're going to search for Instagram. You're going to find the app here. You're going to click. I am already logged in, but you're going to have to log in to your Instagram and allow Canva to access it. Once you're in here, you're going to see all your Reels as a video. And the most beautiful part of this is when you click in one, it'll be copied without the watermark. And after that, you can just set it as a background. And you can create as many slides as you want, so you can batch repurpose your Reels. Then you're just going to grab the videos you want to use. Once you select all the Reels we want to reuse, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Share, Download as MP4 video, and you have to click Download Pages as separate files. You hit the download button, and you're going to have all the Reels with no watermarks ready to be reused. Note that Canva is always going to save your video with the original audio that you used. So if you're using copyrighted music or someone else's audio, make sure you re-add this audio inside of Instagram once you're ready to post again. If you like this tip, make sure you hit the subscribe button.